welcome to New York, where the local time here is 5:30 in the afternoon. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. You may now make and receive calls as well as use call data services on your handheld electronic devices. When it says safety in your seats, take care when opening overhead lockers as items may be moved and could fall out and cause injury. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure you have all your personal belongings with you, and remember that smoking is not allowed until you've reached a designated area. All of us at British Airways and One World Alliance would like to welcome home our customers who live here in New York and wish those of you visiting an enjoyable stay. If you're travelling all further, we wish you a safe and onward journey. It has been our great pleasure looking after you today, and we look forward to welcoming you again very soon. Thank you and a very good afternoon.